baby bus. Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
The Kidnapped Mukas, Part 3. Out of nowhere, there was a loud bang at the door. Gordo's ears twitched.
It's been way too long since I cleaned the wax out of my ears. They feel so itchy.
Gordo picked his ears using his fingers and then continued to chop the garlic. Gordo didn't notice the noise because the sound of chopping garlic had drowned it out, and he was still busy prepping the ingredients for the secret sauce.
Shooby-dooby-dooby-doo, shooby-dooby-dooby, add some rotten sauerkraut.
As he was prepping the ingredients, the door creaked open and two figures crept in. They were Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman. The two snuck around behind the sofa.
Don't worry, Moocas. We're the police. We're here to help you.
Mukas almost moved out in delight at the sight of Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman.
Shh! Keep your voice down.
Okay.
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman instantly untied Mukas and ushered him out of the house. Oblivious to all this, Gordo eagerly added the last of the ingredients to the sauce.
And now, the pièce de résistance, the grand finale, the final step of the Moo Moo Burger special sauce recipe is to add a rotten melon peel. It must smell good.
Gordo put a rotten melon peel into the pan, then leaned over the edge expectantly and gave it a deep sniff. A putrid smell filled his nostrils.
Good golly. Ew, that stinks. It stinks. Oh, it stinks. It smells awful. I can't stand it.
The stench rendered Gordo momentarily speechless. His senses were overpowered by the stench that filled his nostrils. The smell got stronger and stronger as all the smelly ingredients mixed. Finally, the air became heavy as the stench permeated every inch of the kitchen.
Oh my! Stinky! It stinks more than the foot towel I haven't washed in a year. I've been had. I'm gonna pass out.
Quick as lightning, Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman opened the door and saw Gordo lying on the floor, unconscious.
Hey now! Lab, the recipe for the steak bomb, it reeks! Oh.
Sheriff Labrador did a quick check on Gordo and found that the stench from the mixture had knocked him out cold.
Quick! We have to save Gordo! Hurry! Wake up, Gordo!
The air smells so fresh.
Gordo took a deep breath and slowly opened his eyes.
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman.
Gordo's face grew pale when he saw Sheriff Labrador, Officer Doberman, the angry Mr. Bull, and Mukas. He trembled from head to foot and his legs turned to jelly. Unable to run away, he could only beg for mercy with a face full of desperation.
I never meant to hurt Mukas. Mr. Bull, Sheriff Labrador, I can explain. You see, I love Moo Moo Burgers. I wanted to trade Mukas for the secret burger recipe. Then I can make and eat as many Moo Moo Burgers as I want.
Kidnapping is against the law. No matter what your reason is, it's not right. Gordo, you are suspected of kidnapping. Come with me to the police station.
Sheriff Labrador handcuffed Gordo and took him to the police station. There in the police station, Mr. Bull led Mukas over to thank Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman.
Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman, thank you so much. Thank you for getting my son back.
You're welcome, Mr. Bull. We did just what any police officer should do. Well, Mukas, in the future, keep in mind that you never just open the door for anyone, even someone you know. One more thing, Mr. Bull, never leave your child alone in the house, even in just a short absence like yours today. Accidents can happen anytime.
Yes!
Yes!
We got it, Sheriff Labrador!